how to unsync Instagram and Facebook profile pictures. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can unsync Instagram and Facebook profile pictures, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unsync Instagram and Facebook profile pictures, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram app. You come to your profile icon from here, you tap the three lines option, go to settings. After you go to settings, you want to simply scroll down and go to the option called account center, and then make sure to just tap on account center. As you tap the account center option, you want to simply go to profiles and then select your Facebook account over here, and once you select Facebook, tap on the Facebook account again, and right here you'll find the option called sync profile info. You simply want to make sure to turn this toggle off in order to unsync your Instagram and Facebook profiles. This way you can unsync Instagram and Facebook profile picture. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.